I was gifted these Nano towels by the brand, and I'm super excited to show you how they work. So this one is for stainless steel. You can see right here. Let me just open this up and show you how they are designed to work. All right, so let me show you what these look like. So they are two-sided. So one side you can see here has it's kind of more fluffy, more textured. This is the side that you're gonna use wet to clean your stainless steel surface. And then the back side you can see is a little less textured, a little less fluffy. It's kind of smooth. And this is the side you're going to use to buff it out after you use this side with water. So let's jump into some stainless steel and see what we can get clean. All right, so first up is going to be this sink. So I have my fluffy side and I got it wet. And so we're just going to wipe it down and we're just going to clean all of this area. We're gonna go back with the other side and just kind of buff it out. Definitely does look better, so that's the first try. All right, here is the top of a burner. We're just gonna get the top of this. Again, I'm going in with my fluffy side and just gonna wipe everything down. That came off pretty easily. Just make sure. All right, and now I'm gonna go back with the smoother side and just kind of buff it out. All right, definitely looks a little better. All right, now we are inside looking at the fridge door. You can see there's smudges, handprints, grease marks, who knows. So we're gonna go in with the damp side of the Nano towel. We're just gonna kind of wipe everything down. And then we are gonna go back with the dry side or the smooth side, and we're gonna kind of dry that off and just buff that out and see what it looks like. Already looks 10 times better. Look at that. All right, so that was just a quick demo of the Nano towel and how it works on stainless steel items. So remember, the fluffy textured side, this is for using damp to clean your surface, and then the smooth side is for using dry to dry and buff out that surface. So I'm highly impressed. I think these worked great. I was super happy to see it look as clean as it did after using this. One thing I forgot to mention, these are machine washable. It says you can wash them by hand, but you can also machine wash them. So that is another plus. So they do have a hook that you can hang them in your garage or in your kitchen or wherever you need them. So just all around a great towel, and as you could see, pretty good results. So if you're in the market for a stainless steel cleaner, I would highly recommend checking out the Nano towels.